Ugh, are you stuck debugging coding error or having another math headache? Put it on ChatGPT. What if I told you there's a better LLM for each task? In this video, you'll get to know the best suited LLM for your task. Hopefully, I have covered your domain too. Spoiler, it's not ChatGPT for everything. Our team was working on a project where we needed to calculate OKS from two JSON files. After testing multiple LLMs, Claude outperformed them all. One thing we observed that it justified the 70.3% score on the SWE benchmark. Got a random question? Need deep science facts? GPT 4.5 is your brainiac. With an 85.1% MMLU score, it's like a living encyclopedia. Always fresh, always spot on. Ask anything. Gemini 2.0 doesn't guess, it reasons. Need to crack competitive exams or philosophy debates? It's 64.7% better at structured thinking than rivals. Struggling with calculus that keeps you up at night? Tangled in geometry that just won't click? I've been there until Deepseek R1 swooped in. Welcome to the LLM Fight Club. Claude's coding up a storm. GPT 4.5's dropping knowledge bombs, Gemini's outsmarting puzzles, and Deepseek R1's knocking out equations. Who's your champ? Pick your fighter for the win. Because as they say, there is no perfect LLM, but choosing the right tool for the job is what matters. Just snapshot this cheat sheet and choose your tool wisely. Don't forget to visit our blog on this topic to get more insights. The link is provided in the description.